Why elephants are nature's keystone species. The guardians of ecosystems explained. You won't believe this. Elephants are not just the largest land animals on Earth, they're nature's ultimate ecosystem engineers. These keystone species elephants quite literally build the habitats that sustain thousands of other creatures. From bulldozing trees to digging life-saving waterholes, their daily routines shape entire ecosystems. Today, you'll discover why elephants are the true guardians of biodiversity and why protecting them is essential for the health of our planet. Stick around to the end for an incredible story of how elephants revived an entire ecosystem. Chapter 1. The Giants Who Build Nature, What Makes Elephants Keystone Species. Elephants are not just charismatic giants, they're ecological powerhouses. A keystone species is an organism that holds an ecosystem together, and elephants fit this role perfectly. Their behaviors have a ripple effect that benefits countless plants and animals. Imagine a herd of elephants moving through the African savanna. As they roam, they knock down trees, creating clearings that allow sunlight to reach the ground. This promotes the growth of grasses, which in turn feeds herbivores like zebras and antelopes. By dispersing seeds through their dung, elephants contribute to forest regeneration, making them crucial for maintaining plant diversity. But their impact doesn't stop there. During dry seasons, elephants dig into dry riverbeds to access underground water sources. These makeshift waterholes become life-saving oases for birds, insects, and other thirsty animals. The elephant ecosystem role is truly foundational. Without them, many ecosystems would collapse. Chapter 2. Habitat. Architects in action, how elephants shape entire ecosystems. Elephants are often called habitat architects for good reason. Their immense strength and constant movement result in large-scale environmental transformations that benefit a multitude of species. Picture this. In dense African woodlands, elephants bulldoze through thick vegetation, opening up pathways that become wildlife corridors for smaller animals. These corridors are essential for species migration and genetic diversity. In Asia, elephants thin out dense forests, allowing sunlight to rejuvenate undergrowth, which supports smaller herbivores and predators alike. One powerful story comes from Amboseli National Park, where elephants revived a dried-up waterhole. Their persistence in digging through hard, cracked earth eventually unearthed a water source that became a haven for frogs, birds, and even predators like lions. This chapter shows how elephants are indispensable wildlife ecosystem engineers, directly shaping habitats and influencing predator-prey dynamics. Their environmental impact resonates far beyond their immediate presence. Chapter 3. The Ripple Effect. Why nature depends on elephants. The influence of elephants is felt throughout entire food chains. From dung beetles to apex predators, many species owe their survival to the modifications elephants make to their habitats. Elephants are master seed dispersers, ensuring the genetic diversity of countless plant species. Their dung provides rich fertilizer, which nourishes the soil and supports new plant growth. This simple act supports insects, which in turn feed birds and small mammals, illustrating a profound interdependence within ecosystems. One fascinating symbiosis is between elephants and dung beetles. As elephants roam and leave behind their nutrient-packed dung beetles spring into action, using it for food and reproduction. This process also aerates the soil, enhancing forest regeneration by elephants. But the ripple effect doesn't stop there. Elephant-created waterholes support aquatic life and become hunting grounds for predators. When elephant populations decline, these delicate systems falter. The biodiversity and elephants' connection is a powerful reminder of nature's intricate balance, one that depends heavily on these gentle giants. Chapter 4. The Fight to Save Elephants, Conservation Facts and How You Can Help. Sadly, the importance of elephants in nature is under constant threat. Poaching, habitat fragmentation, and human-wildlife conflicts pose serious challenges to elephant survival. As their numbers dwindle, the ecosystems they support face collapse. Elephant conservation facts highlight both the crisis and the hope. Innovative solutions like wildlife corridors are being developed to allow safe elephant migration, reducing deadly conflicts with humans. Community-led initiatives in Africa and Asia are empowering locals to protect elephants while benefiting from ecotourism. Take the example of the Elephant Nature Park in Thailand, a sanctuary that rescues abused elephants and educates visitors on ethical wildlife tourism. Similarly, the Amboseli Trust for Elephants uses cutting-edge technologies like drones and AI surveillance to combat poaching. But conservation isn't just for experts. You, the viewer, can make a difference. Supporting reputable conservation organizations, choosing ethical tourism options, and spreading awareness are powerful actions. Together, we can ensure that future generations witness the majestic sight of elephants roaming free, continuing their role as keystone species elephants. Key takeaways. Today, we uncovered why elephants are nature's keystone species, the unsung heroes who shape ecosystems, support biodiversity, and ensure the health of our planet. From their role in habitat creation to their profound environmental impact, elephants truly are the guardians of ecosystems. But with growing threats to elephant populations, their future, and the future of countless species, hangs in the balance. Protecting elephants means preserving the intricate web of life they support. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow animal lovers, and subscribe to Wildlife and Pets Universe for more fascinating wildlife stories. Comment below with your favorite elephant fact or memory. We'd love to hear from you. Together, let's celebrate and protect these magnificent giants and keep the wild alive.